Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life at Home. During the course of 5 days, you will receive tips and suggestions on how to have an organized life at home. And I also have a full course which is titled the Full Life at Home Organizational Strategies course. This course can be started and stopped at any time. And in addition to the course, you will receive a copy of my latest Divine Life at Home Planner. The Divine Life at Home Planner is an excellent planner to keep your life at home organized. It has tips, suggestions, worksheets, bill pay, meal plan, your declutter challenge, everything is in the Divine Life at Home Planner. So for this video, this is week 1 of the weekly declutter challenge. So what we did was took the whole week, all 52 weeks in a year, and you have a challenge each week. So for this week, it is to declutter your email inbox. Yes, I know you're like so many people and you have literally thousands and thousands of emails in your inbox. So what we're going to do this week is just take bits and pieces of time and going through. We can unsubscribe, we can unroll, we can archive and put things in folders. Basically, we're going to do whatever we can to try a goal of email zero. So I know that can be impossible, especially if you have thousands and thousands of emails, but let's just make a conscious effort and do as much as we can. So if you are interested in the challenge, there really isn't much you have to do. You just have to make a conscious effort to want to change and want to declutter your life. So feel free to head over to my Instagram at Divine Elements Design, and you can get familiar with the Instagram or familiar with the declutter challenge. You will see the prompt each week which shows you what there is, or you can also join my private Facebook community where you can actually leave your pictures, your before and after pictures, or also leave any questions or comments to me in that community. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.